In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication 2FA on Coinbase. This is a simple way to add a strong extra layer of protection to your account. So even if someone learns your password, they still can't get in without a second code. All you need is your web browser, your Coinbase account, and your phone nearby. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Coinbase. Make sure you're heading to the official site. Look for the secure padlock in the address bar and double check the URL before you click anything. Avoid sponsored links that don't clearly point to the official website, as they can sometimes lead to phishing pages. Once you're on the site, log into your account. Enter your credentials only on the official sign-in page and use a secure internet connection. If you're on a shared or public device, it's best to avoid saving passwords or staying signed in. This keeps your information safe while you set up two-factor authentication. After you're signed in, go to your profile. You'll typically find the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click it to open your account menu. From there, head into your account settings. This is where you can manage security, privacy, and other preferences. Next, click on security. This section is dedicated to protecting your account. Here, you'll see different options related to passwords, device approvals, and sign-in protections. Now, find and click on two-step verification. This is the feature that adds that second layer of security. If you're new to it, think of it as a code you'll need in addition to your password whenever you sign in. Go ahead and click on available methods. You'll see the options Coinbase supports for two-step verification. Typically, these include using an Authenticator app or receiving codes by text message. Authenticator apps are generally considered more secure, while text messages can be more convenient, so choose what fits your needs and your device. Finally, click on Setup. Coinbase will guide you through the process on screen. Follow the prompts carefully and keep your device close by so you can complete verification during the setup. When you're done, you should see confirmation that two-step verification is active on your account. From this point on, when you sign in, you'll be asked for a code in addition to your password, which greatly reduces the risk of unauthorized access. That's it. You've just strengthened your Coinbase account with two-factor authentication. Keep your devices secure, don't share your codes with anyone, and you'll be in great shape. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.